Few people realize that a successful onion and garlic harvest actually begins long before the bulbs ever touch the soil. Most gardeners simply plant them and hope for the best, only to be disappointed later by weak growth, rot, or disease. The real difference between an average harvest and a healthy, abundant one is often decided right at the start. Onions and garlic are hardy crops, but they can also be vulnerable when planted without preparation. Fungal diseases, bacteria, and pests are often already present in the soil. If the bulbs are not protected, they can struggle from the very beginning. That is why today we are sharing a simple, traditional method that uses just one natural ingredient many people already have at home. The key ingredient is wood ash. Wood ash has been used in gardening for generations because it naturally protects, strengthens, and nourishes plants. It is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals that help bulbs start growing faster and develop a strong root system. To prepare the solution, add 1 tablespoon of sifted wood ash to half a liter of lukewarm water and mix well. Place the onion or garlic bulbs into this mixture and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. There is no need to soak them longer as the ash works quickly and effectively. After soaking, remove the bulbs and let them dry naturally in the air. Do not rinse them with water. Once dry, they are ready to be planted immediately. The ash creates a mild protective layer, reduces the risk of rot, and helps the plant get off to a strong start. Do not throw away the remaining liquid. It can be diluted and used to water the soil or other plants in the garden. Finally, always choose firm, healthy bulbs because even the best preparation cannot fix poor planting material. If you want fewer problems during the season and stronger plants from the very beginning, this simple wood ash method is well worth using. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.